Announced at CES 2018, Xperia XA2, XA2 Ultra and L2 are the latest additions from Sony, designed to capture your world in magnificent detail. First off, we have the epic Xperia XA2 in silver, a smartphone designed to capture flawless pictures in a beautiful borderless design that perfectly fits your hand. As seamless as its borderless frame, its intuitive fingerprint sensor means you're ready to go with a single tap. Crafted in Gorilla Glass, its polished diamond-cut edges and metallic finish exude superior design. Unleash your creativity with powerful front and rear cameras. With Xperia XA2, you can master the most stunning photographs in 23 megapixels. You can fit more of your friends in the frame with its 120-degree super wide-angle 8 megapixel front camera. Not only that, but you can also create beautiful video in epic 4K with the 23 megapixel rear camera to really immerse yourself in dazzling detail. Its 5.2-inch Full HD display allows you to dive deeper into your favorite entertainment. When it comes to your audio and videos, Xperia XA2 comes with 130% higher audio output than before for better entertainment. From web browsing to lag-free video, enjoy more of what you love for longer with high-capacity battery life and smart charging technologies. And here we have the stunning Xperia XA2 Ultra in blue. If you want more from your selfies, this is the smartphone for you, featuring our first dual pro selfie camera. Xperia XA2 Ultra has a 16 megapixel selfie camera with optical image stabilization for blur-free selfies. It also has an 8 megapixel selfie camera to fit more fun in the shot. You can also benefit from the front-facing flashlight. The main 23 megapixel camera is perfect for capturing all kinds of shots. And now you can record videos in high quality 4K, that's 4 times higher than Full HD. Similar to Xperia XA2, this smartphone has been designed to maximize your beautiful memories with a 6-inch Full HD display for a magnificent viewing experience. Designed to carry you through the day, its high-capacity battery and smart charging technologies give you a longer lifespan in a smartphone. And last but certainly not least, here is Xperia L2 in black. With its 120-degree super wide-angle front camera, Xperia L2 is a smartphone that's designed to take perfect pictures. Not only can you fit everyone in the frame, but you can also rely on bright, beautiful images with 8 megapixel quality. Xperia L2 offers a larger-than-life window to your world with a dazzling 5.5-inch HD display. Whether snapping beautiful photos or catching up with the latest shows, Xperia L2 comes with a battery that exceeds expectations. What's more, you won't have to wait too long to get your hands on these devices. They go on sale in select countries soon, so keep an eye out for them in-store and online. If you want to find out more about Xperia XA2, XA2 Ultra and L2, go to sonymobile.com.